Hey up, I'm back. This is what I'm up with at the moment. You can see I've cut that piece of chassis out and put a new piece in. I've got to grind out all this bit. I've got the old thingy, the solid grinder blade. I've got to grind these spots down wherever, and I've just found a piece in there. I don't know if you can see it. There, look, is it? There. There's a wheel, so I've got to put a piece out of that. Yeah, they don't like any holes to be made, but it's full of drain holes, so the mind boggles, isn't it? So I'm with that at the moment. I've just cut this across here, so I can close it up and weld it to the main chassis. That was a new piece I knocked out of the 1.5 and put in imitating the old thingy for the jacking point, you see. Well, that's the jacking point actually. I think it's well within it. So, right, I'll catch you in a bit. Hey up, I'm back. Update on so far. There's a lot more than we thought. It's going to be a bit longer job than we thought. I'll just show you what I mean. Just look here, look. This cell all the way down has been a pain. I'm having to double skin in places because I hope out badly. Yeah, I don't expect to visit it. I want to see that. Especially here, look. That's a seat belt now. I've got to double it and I've got to put a piece inside and all. Plus I've got this here to bring down and join onto that. Round that off and all that for sill. But I have to just go along all these bumps and take them off when I've done it anyway. But look at that. That's going to be interesting, isn't it? To be honest, very interesting. But it's all time consuming. The other side isn't too bad. I picked a bad side really. So anyway, I'll see you in a minute. The engine's going along fine. Being painted all a bit. The top's been painted, look. They look all nice. I'm on with this today. Getting that finished. I'll see you in a bit. No, it's that smoothly, is it? Yeah, there we are on wing duty, look. What we've done. We've ground everything down, tool rusted it. I've had to weld a little piece on a tab, just there if you can see it. But nah, that's ready for some inner seal. So our John sat there all nicely doing the air intake, the injection in that manifold. But now I've got my old dreaded stud duty. I've got to drill these out, that one and that one. They've got to come out. I've got to get fresh bolts. But everything's coming along swimmingly. I've been at it 2 months. Originally we were going to do it in 2 weeks, but I don't know what you're going to find here. Your aims are never really it. So I'll talk to you in a bit. Oh, yeah, been interesting. I've had 1 or 2 things to do. I've had to strip this welder down and mess about with it. It's not been used for years, and then all of a sudden you start using them. You get thingy about. We might have cracked it there. But yeah, the story so far. The front suspension's on. Let me kick this out, right. There we go. Go on. Right, get down to this one. As you can see, we've got some work done. Blank left end in. I've got that far. It's been epoxy brush painted on. Make it nice and thick. As you can see underneath, that's ready. We've got that bit to do. I've been cleaning down, knocking some tops off of welds. We've got the dreaded at the back. But today I'm just filling this back bit of flooring I've done. Back to front, back to front. My son's had trouble with his welding helmet, so he's going to buy a new one. And grandson's in there, he's been spraying the inlet manifold. The injection inlet manifold. It's going to be just Kawasaki green and black. So it should be a nice motor. It's going to be stealth black, that. With Kawasaki green overtones. Or undertones as you call it, but yeah. Yeah. We'll crack on anyway, talk to you later. Yeah, got it out. It's a smaller size to that one. That fits that perfect. That doesn't, it don't even have to go in. So it's a smaller size. I've got 5 smaller screws and then I've got that one. But today, Bank Holiday Monday, grandson's gone on because he's at work tomorrow. He's not at school, he's coming now, so we'll be on it today, tomorrow. So that's it. That's the progress so far. So we'll see you in the next one. See you later.